have to find the analytic function w is equal to u plus iv. We are given that v is equal to x upon x square plus y square plus cos of hx into cos y. And we also find u, means v is given. We have to find a function w, so we have to find the u also. Once we get the u, we can find the w. So here a function is analytic, it is given. So if it is analytic, given function is analytic, so it satisfies the CR condition. And what is CR condition? CR condition is del u upon del x, means del u upon del x is equal to del v upon del y, and del u upon del y is equal to minus del v upon del x. So this is CR equation. So it satisfies since function is analytic. When function is analytic, it satisfies the CR equation. So now w is equal to f of z is equal to w is equal to u plus iv. Now f dash of z is, suppose we differentiate it with respect to x, so del u upon del x plus I del v upon del x. Now we can find del v upon del x from here, but we have to find u is not given, so we can't put the value of del u upon del x. So instead of del u upon del x, we can write del v upon del y, because function is analytic, so del u upon del x is also equal to del v upon del y. So we can put here del v upon del y plus I del v upon del x. That means we have to differentiate v with respect to x and with respect to y. So first of all, we have to differentiate with respect to x. So del v upon del x is equal to, it is u by v, so we can write it x square plus y square into differentiation of x is 1 minus x into differentiation of x square plus y square with respect to x is 2x, and differentiation of y is 0 upon x square plus y square the whole square, plus we have to differentiate with respect to x. So cos hx is sin hyperbolic x into cos of y. Cos y is constant. So it is equal to, if we expand it, so we will get x square minus 2x square. So we will get y square minus x square upon x square plus y square the whole square plus sin of hx into cos of y. It is del v upon del x. Now this v we have to differentiate with respect to y. So del v upon del y will be del v upon del y is equal to, we have to differentiate it with respect to y. So it is we will get minus 2xy upon x square plus y square the whole square. Okay. Since x is constant, we can write it power minus 1, and it is equal to minus 1 into x square plus y square the whole square into differentiation of y is equal to 2y. So we will get minus 2xy upon x square plus y square whole square, and if we differentiate this with respect to y, so we will get plus cos of hx into differentiation of cos is minus sin, so we get minus sin y. Now we have to put the value of this f dash of z. So f dash of z is equal to, we will put the value of del v upon del y, that is minus 2xy upon x square plus y square the whole square minus cos of hx into sin of y plus I del v plus I del v upon del x, that is this much, that is xy square minus x square upon x square plus y square the whole square plus sin of sin hx into cos y. Okay, so this is f dash of z. Now we have to put x is equal to z and y is equal to 0. So we will get f dash of z is equal to, x is equal to z, so and y is equal to 0. So this term will be 0 because y is here, sin 0 is 0, so this will become 0 plus I. Now here if we put x is equal to 0, So we will get minus z square upon z square the whole square, y is 0, that is z raised to 4, plus sine of hz, sine of hz into cos 0 is 1, that is this is the f dash of z. So now this is equal to I into minus 1 upon z square plus sine of hz. Now we have to integrate with respect to z, so f of z is equal to this will become I into 1 upon z plus cos of hz. Now this is the f of z, which is equal to f of z is u plus f of z is u plus iv is equal to this we have to put the value of we have to put the value of z, that is x plus iy plus cos of h x plus iy. Now it is equal to I into we have to rationalize it, so we will get x minus iy upon x square minus y square plus we can write it cos of hx into cos a cos b cos of iy minus sine of hx into sine of iy. Now this u plus iv is equal to, we have to separate the real and imaginary terms, so it is equal to I x upon x square plus y square. This if we multiply with I and I square minus 1, that is plus y upon x square plus y square, then plus I cos of hx into cos of y, cos iy is cos y, and this is minus I sin hx into sin iy is I sin y. So this is equal to these two terms are imaginary terms, so I into x plus x square plus y square plus cos of hx into cos y plus y upon x square plus y square plus I square is minus 1 plus it will become plus sin hx into sin y. So this is u and this is v is already given, this we got it, and this is u. So now u is y upon x square plus y square plus sine of hx into sin y. We can check our answer by this condition that u, this is the u and the given u is we are getting same, so this is the v, our answer is correct, and u plus iv is this one, so we have to compare with this is v and this is u. So now u is y upon x square plus y square plus sin hx into sin y.